So why guys, our topic is all about system of linear equations using Cramer's rule. So yan. So first, we need to know the steps for setting up the three determinants for a system of two linear equations in two variables. So first step is set up D, apply the coefficient of x and y. So the next step is set up dx, start with d and replace the coefficient of x column 1 with the constants on the right side of the equal sign. And the third step is set up dy, start with d and replace the coefficient of y column 2 with constant on the right side of the equal sign.
So example number 1, solve the system using Cramer's rule. So we have an equation here, x plus 3y is equals to 1 and 2x plus y is equals to negative 3. So we need to do the matrix or the augmented matrix. So gawin na natin. So we need to write the x coefficient. So 1 and 2. Then the y coefficient is 3 and 1. So the vertical bar, the constant is 1 and negative 3. So don't forget the bracket. So this is the augmented matrix natin. So for this augmented matrix, isi-set up natin yung tatlong determinant. So hanapin natin yung una. D is equals to 1, 2, 3, and 1. So huwag kakalimutan yung vertical var. So next is dx is equals to, so sa dito natin gagawin ito. We need to change the x in this column. So ang ililipat natin is yung constant. So itong dalawa na to hindi natin susulat. So ito na 1 and negative 3, then 3, 1. So vertical bar. So for dy naman, for this column, ang iaano naman natin is yung y coefficient. So ang ipapalit natin dun ay yung constant. So 1 and 2. Then the constant is 1 and negative 3. Vertical bar. So nakuha natin yung tatlong determinants. So let's solve. Nakuha na natin yung tatlong determinants. So let's evaluate. So first is D is equals to, first is positive, so 1 times 1. Then the other one is for negative, so minus 2 times 3. So equals 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 2, 6 times 1, negative. So equals negative 5. So for the other determinant, so dx is equals to, let's first this 1. So here is positive 1 times 1. Next is here negative, so minus negative 3 times 3. So let's solve. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Negative 3 times 3 is equals to negative 9 times negative is equals to positive 9. So let's solve. 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. So the last one is dy. So dito na natin siya lagay. Dy is equals to, first, this is positive, so 1 times negative 3. Then next is minus yan. So 2 times 1. So let's focus here. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Then 2 times 1, 2. Times 2 times negative is negative. So negative 2 is equals to negative 3 minus 2 is equals to negative 5. So this is the answer. So yan, na-evaluate na natin. So nakuha natin yung lahat ng value ng determinant. So write lang natin yung answer natin kanina. So nakuha natin lahat ng value ng d, dx, and dy. So we can solve the solution to system of linear equations using Cramer's rule. So for x equals to dx over d. So our value is equals to 10 over negative 5. So our x is equals to negative 2. Next is for y. Y is equals to dy over d is equals to, our dy is negative 5 and our d is negative 5. So our value for y is positive 1. So our answer is negative 2 and positive 1. So this is the answer.